Hey everybody. Today I want to show you this error that I was getting. I was getting set up to do another video, and this is a very common error in CCT, and I want to show you the solution or workaround for this error. So I was trying to upload a program out of a controller, and then I get this error: failed operations access to the path archive MOI is denied. Anytime you see this MOI, that means your CCT doesn't have the admin rights to run the program. So I'll do this error again so you can see it. So transfer to computer. I was trying to upload. All my settings are correct here. Connecting. And this is the controller I'm trying to upload. And I hit finish. And everything looks like it sees the controller and everything, gives me the details about it, but I get this error every time, right? How do you fix this error? It's a real easy error to fix. All you gotta do is close CCT. Let's run a workbench in the background. Reopen CCT as admin. So if you install as admin, you get that error less. But I install as admin and I still get that error. The error pops up every once in a while. So now I'm running it. So now I can go to transfer to computer. That's the right settings. Next. Takes a second to connect here. That's the controller I want. Next. It sees it all like it did before and hit finish. And this time it should actually start because we ran it as admin. There we go. IP-based controller. That's why you didn't see that progress bar go. It's super fast when it's IP. But anytime you see the MOI error, that's how to fix it. Thanks for watching.